Hey guys, Alexeja here. Today we're going to be doing makeup again. I have this makeup kit I got from Walmart. It is, mascara anyway. It's Rhinestone Skull kit. It has all the stuff inside of it that we are going to use. It was just $5 in the Halloween section. There's only a few of them. I got this one and a unicorn one. Again, I had people vote if they wanted to see the skull first or the unicorn first. I had a higher poll on the skull, so we are going to do the skull first. So, as I'm looking, we're going to try to recreate this, but kind of put my own interpretation into it. I'm not sure if there's all the rhinestones that are going to fit, because if you look, there's like some up here, and like 4 here, and there's like a bunch of these triangle pieces. I don't think that's enough to line the mouth. I really don't think it is, but we'll see. So, I went ahead and primed my face, that's why I look like a ghost. And then we are going to get into this. I'm going to try to use most of the stuff that's in this palette, so we can just kind of get a representation of this palette. I'm going to add some of my eyeshadows and stuff just to deepen the blues and whatnot, since we only have 2 colors here. I want to add some more colors. So let's get started into that, and I will let you know my thoughts on it. Okay, so we have our palette here. I'm going to open it up and we're going to look at everything inside. So this is your, I don't know, my camera's probably not going to focus. This is like the first, when you open it, it just has this open, you can see it, and then you just pull it right down here, and then we can pull the stuff out. So we have, I'm going to try not to drop any of this on the floor. Almost dropped the extension, backing. Okay, so I'm going to try not to drop this on the floor, and I'm going to try to get my camera to focus. I hope that focused. I don't have an LCD screen that turns this way that I can see, so I just have to guess and hope that focused. We have our pom-poms here. We have some black lipstick. We have some rhinestones. One fell over here. We have 4 of the large ones, and then quite a few of the little tiny ones. We have some eyelashes. Let's see, I want to feel that. It doesn't feel as bad as that other makeup thing. And then we have this little curly extension. So I don't know how well this blue extension is going to go with my kind of orangish purple hair, but we'll try to incorporate that in there. So I'm going to try to get all of this. It says they're all self-adhesive. I don't know how the pom-poms are supposed to, yeah, they don't have any adhesive on them, so that's a lie. They're all supposed to be self-adhesive. I'll probably still have to add some eyelash glue on all of them so they'll stick right. Let's look at this pigment. It's alright. And yellow's decent. And blue's alright. As I'm going to add some of my eyeshadows into it. So I have, as you saw, everything in there. First things first, I'm going to take this brown eyeliner pencil and I'm going to try to just like trace what I want to see incorporated, and then I'm going to take the eyeshadow and darken all that in and blend it all in so we can get a nice shape of the skull face. So let's get started into that. real quick because I got this lipstick out of the Rhinestone kit. It smells like an old Crayola crown. Like you had a crown in your crown box for a while. That's what this lipstick smells like. And to be honest, it doesn't look that black. So if it doesn't get that black, I might just like use that paint from the deer makeup or my eyeliner or something. But it's so weird. Okay, going back. So here's the completed skull, Rhinestone Skull look. I hope you guys like it. I like it. It's not exactly like the box. Let me get the box. I got a bunch of stuff on top of it. Sorry. All dirty. Not exactly like the box, but like I said, I was going to do my own interpretation. Sorry, I can't really open my mouth too much because all these rhinestones on my mouth, and they're just going to fall off if I open my mouth too much. But like I thought, there was not enough rhinestones in here, so there was not enough to go across like my eyebrow and stuff like it is on this picture. But that's fine. If I decided to do this, if I decided to do this myself, then I could just buy my own rhinestones and then figure out how many I exactly need. Because there's like, there was one extra one in both. Which makes no sense because then that doesn't give me enough to do 3 on the bottom here or 4 up here, and it doesn't give me enough to go across my eyebrows. Just so many missed opportunities. They just needed to add more rhinestones in here and it would have been a lot better. And all the self-adhesive stuff didn't work. Surprise, surprise. I had to add my eyelash glue onto like every single one of these for it to stick because like the self-adhesive, I put it on and then it just like plop off. It was like, what's the point? What is the self-adhesive if it's not adhesive? So I had my eyelash glue on all this so it sticks to my face. I could not put the little pom-poms on. I tried. It's like covered in eyelash glue. It's too heavy for the eyelash glue to stick. I need like actual like FX glue to like stick it on me. But I don't have that. All I have is eyelash glue and that's not working, so no pom-poms. So, sadness, but oh well. We know for future reference, if we want to glue pom-poms onto our neck, we gotta use FX makeup, not eyelash glue. So, sorry. The self-adhesive eyelashes, as you can see, I don't know if you really can, let me try to, I don't know if that focused or not, but if you could see the self-adhesive eyelashes, they're just like not adhering. Half of this side's coming off, this piece on the inside of the eye's coming off. I mean, so much for self-adhesive. And I'm not done with that. It's just, that really bothers me. When you say it's gonna stick and it doesn't stick, that bothers me. Let me try to focus it again. I hope that's focused. If it's not, then I'm very terribly sorry. As I was saying, I just kind of made this up. I made little, like, I guess teeth over here because I didn't have enough rhinestones to like go all the way across. So I just did like this part with rhinestones. The black lipstick that came with this, that was terrible. It smelled like an old crayon and it was not black at all. It would look like really, really bad like mud on my lips. So I just like went over it with my, can't think of word, eyeliner. I went over it with my eyeliner and, you know, that kind of smears too, but I just kept going over it with my eyeliner and then just glued all this down, and I have not touched it since. But I also have to go to work in an hour now. So I have to figure out how to get this back off in the next hour so I can get ready for work. That'll be fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see any more Halloween makeup or any other like FX makeup or anything, it doesn't necessarily have to be Halloween. It's just that we're coming up to Halloween, so I've been trying to get some Halloween themed things. So if you have any other makeup things, cosplay things, hair things, anything you would like to see me do, just let me know in the comments below or just message me on one of my social media accounts, and I always answer back, so just let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. I'll see you guys in the next makeup video. Bye!